Hey everybody, happy Friday. It's Friday, September 29th, and this is a quick video for the interactive notebook submission that you need for next week. I shouldn't say submission, but your new page. So what we'll be doing next week is long division. I'm asking students to please print out a copy of the hamburgers that I sent in the email. Please cut out each of the 4 hamburgers very carefully. Once you have that done, come back to the video and let's get started. All right, so you cut out all 4 of your hamburgers. First, let's draw our attention to the table of contents. Please make note that you want to have all of these elements in your interactive notebook. The one that we are going to be adding to our notebook today is the note pages for long division. This is an area that students need constant practice and repetition, and we have just a small thing of notes to get them ready and to support them in their efforts. So let's turn to page 17. Up at the top of your notebook, please put page 17 and then put long division. We're not going to write much today. We'll be writing it in class on Monday. However, what I need you to do is to take your 4 hamburgers. Now, I'm only showing you one because I pre-cut to make sure that I had time, enough time in the video and I can make the video short. So section 1, I need you to just simply cut out the hamburger bun, the top hamburger bun. So when you do that, it's going to look like this. So please cut out that hamburger bun. Once you cut it out, at the top bottom, you want to write does. Okay, D-O-E-S. You can write it anywhere on the top bun, that doesn't matter. So does, and make sure you make it nice and dark. Okay, so that's step number 1. Go ahead and do that, and then come back to the video. Okay, next on the video, boys and girls, your next step is, again, you want to take the next full hamburger, and you want to cut out up to the tomato. So when you're done cutting, it should look like this. Here's the tomato. Okay, and on the tomato, you want to write the word McDonald's. Does McDonald's. Go ahead and hit the pause button and get your second part of the foldable ready. Hit pause, and we'll see you back here. Now, the third step is you're going to take your third full burger, and you're going to cut it down here below the burger and the cheese. So when you're finished, it should look like this. Okay, so you'll have the top of the burger, the tomato, and the burger. And on the burger, you want to write the word serve. Serve, and you can write it nice and big. It could be over the cheese. Students can color this in when they're done, but they should have the words nice and big. Okay, so does McDonald's serve? This is an R. Hit pause, finish that step, and then come on back to the video. And then the final step is the 4th burger you're going to leave completely full. You're not going to cut it. The only thing you're going to do is on the bottom is you're going to put burgers. You're going to write the word burgers. All right, again, making it nice and thick. So go ahead, hit the pause button now, and then come back when you're done. So now what you're going to do is very simply add each layer. So I'm going to take the 3rd layer, which is the serve layer. I'm going to put it right on top. Kind of fits there nicely like a puzzle. Then I'm going to take the 2nd layer, which is the McDonald's layer, and I'm going to put it right on top. Everything's laying on top of each other with the top bun as the matching point where you can match it up to make sure they all read well. And then the 4th piece goes on top. So basically, you have 4 levels of the burger that we created. Now it just looks like one big burger. Once you do that, excuse me, boys and girls, sorry about that. Once you do that, simply and carefully take your burger Up at the top, make a staple. Make it kind of high. Don't make it too low because you want to be able to flip it. I put 3 just to make sure. And then you're going to put it on the left-hand side of your notebook. I'm going to get a piece of tape, and I'm going to tape it there, or I'm going to get a little bit of glue, which is what I may do here, and glue it to the back so that way it stays inside my notebook. But what we've just done, boys and girls, is create a flap book. Does McDonald's serve burgers every step of the way? And we're going to fill out more of this and show how to use this on Monday. Please feel free to color your hamburger. You can color the seeds, the bun, whatever you need. Just make sure that you have the words below. Thanks, everybody, and if you have any questions, as always, let me know. See you Monday and have a fantastic weekend. Don't forget to check Class Comm.